Hey guys, today is Sunday and CJ and I are, we are preparing to leave my parents' house. So we're like kind of running around and trying to straighten up the house for them. They're at church with Taylor right now. I have to wash these dishes really quick. I made some breakfast, some eggs and bacon. And then we're gonna go ahead and get on the road and go see my Nana really quickly and then head home. So I'm just putting everything back where I got it from. And yeah. Are clean. Some there. What else do I need to do? I like to put all of my stuff by the door because that minimizes the possibility of me leaving something that I don't need to leave. So I just start, taking everything to the door. I have some magazines here that I'm gonna use for creating my vision board. So pack all of this stuff in my bag. And I'm sitting here uploading. We're trying to upload a vlog now. It says it'll take 26 minutes, which is kind of a long time. So don't know if we'll be able to finish on that. May have to postpone that till you.
I said they look like the dress / casual boots that people be wearing with jeans. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know if I'm gonna switch it up on like this. I don't know if they're ready.
Boy.
Let's get you on camera.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm trying to put your brother on the game.
You cute. Huh?
You know?
Then holler at him. Holler at him.
Yeah, my t-shirt all dirty and everything. Come on, man. You wildin', man.
Babe, this is real life stuff right here.
No, they don't need to see that.
With the speckles on it. What is it called?
What?
Stubble? Stubbles on your head.
They can't see my stubbles. They can't even see my...
Ask them.
Can y'all see my stubbles? Probably not.
Turn your head to the side. Stubbles. I see them real clear.
It's 5 o'clock shadow, man.
Nah.
Yeah, right.
Not up top.
You got a joke?
Ouch. Babe, come here.
You want to joke? You want to joke on each other? That's all.
I am, but look at this.
Come down, prom brother.
You wild with that.
Why don't you? No, it's too hot. Why don't you just do the vest without the jacket?
No, I gotta do that. You wild with that.
Boy, with them dreads, you don't look like you going nowhere. Y'all like dreads?
You don't look like you going nowhere? You look like a...
Babe, come here. Let's have some stare time.
Some what?
Stare time.
Man.
Stare into my eyes.
Stare time. These.
CJ.
I didn't say what you thought I was gonna say.
No, you was. That's what I'm thinking is what you were about to say to your wife. Look at this clown. I don't even have you all the way in. Head looking little.
Come on, man. Let's get about
Man, you know what I'm talking about? When people head look little.
Church. And McDonald's ain't what it used to be either.
Man, they about to come for you.
Who?
McDonald's.
I don't care.
Ronald.
I don't eat McDonald's.
He said McDonald's ain't what it used to be. I don't think it was ever good, babe. We just ate it when we were younger.
It was alright. It was the go-to.
Do y'all still eat McDonald's?
You sure a lot of people still eat McDonald's. Don't lie.
Yeah. See, they said don't lie.
Don't lie.
Do you eat McDonald's?
A lot of people go to McDonald's just for the fries.
Mm-hmm. Or apple pies.
Or they used to for the apple pie.
Mm-hmm.
But you know how that go.
Yeah, I can't deal with it. Well, I ain't gonna lie. What was that? Like October? I think I went there and bought some.
You've been a few times.
No, I have not been a few times. I really don't go to McDonald's. I do go for breakfast sometimes.
But you stay eating out. You try to hide it. You don't never bring your stuff inside.
Where I eat out at though? Chick-fil-A and what? Starbucks. That's it. Chick-fil-A and Starbucks.
When I get in your car, be all types of stuff in that joint.
Say it to the camera then, babe. Why you walking around? Cause you scared.
I don't like sitting down.
Babe, see how many minutes it says?
If it's not ready, I don't know what to tell you.
Y'all, we are like literally just waiting for this vlog to upload for you all.
7 seconds remaining.
Woo! 7 seconds. Good morning, y'all. Excuse how I look. I have conditioner in my hair. Taylor's here. We're chilling together today. Huh? She said my hair not done. But I wanted to show you guys some of the gifts I got for Christmas from my job. And you silly girl. So this week we are I am trying to potty train Taylor because I have 2 weeks out of work and I feel like that's the perfect time. So I'm gonna put her on a potty like every hour and a half, and she already comes to us like when she has to have a bowel movement. You have to use the potty. Come here. Come here. What else you gotta say? That's it? Do you have to use a potty? Do you have to use a potty? Do you have to use a potty? Huh? Let's use the potty. Okay, well you have about an hour and you're going to use the potty again. Girl, y'all, this girl, I'm telling you, she's a trip. Oh, I went ahead and purchased a Canon G7X. So I'm like super excited to get that. I'll get it today or tomorrow because it's one-day shipping that I got it for, and I got it from Canon. The site that I was gonna get it from, they had it on sale for $460 yesterday, and then it went back up. So I just got it for Canon. I got it from Canon. I have to put all of this stuff up, so that's why I want to show you guys really quick. I struggle with stuff like this because I never know like what to get co-workers because I want to get them something like of quality. I don't know how to pick out like cheap but nice gifts. It's either like too expensive or something that someone doesn't want. Ooh, so somebody got me a stress ball. I like these things like when I'm at work and stressed out. Huh, you play with this? No, you take it. And then I got this. Oh, I didn't even see this. What is it? Oh, it's a, no, this is cute. This is really cute. So me. Look at it. Go, princess. Go, princess. Put it on your head. 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 Yeah, this is mine. Give it here. So I think this is super, super cute. What do you guys think? Aaron is not here. He's not here. Aaron is my brother, and she calls his name like 24/7. And then I got a notepad with a pen attached. It says Happy Holidays. Bath & Body Works. It's just like a little, I don't know what I could put in here exactly. Maybe like some receipts or something. It'll be cute for that. From Bath & Body Works. Some like spray, soap, lotion. And this was really nice too. This is from Pier 1. What? That's all. That's how it opens. That's it. That's all you get. This is also really pretty. See? And someone gave me this with candy in it, which will be helpful for Taylor when she's using the bathroom and stuff today. She can get a peppermint, piece of a peppermint. And then this I thought was super cute. It's like a chopping block with a knife that comes with it and a cookie cutter. We are planning to make cookies with Taylor, so I just thought this was like right on time. So yeah, that was a great gift. And look at her, she went shopping. Go girl. Where you going? Where you going? You leaving? You leaving? Give me a kiss. Okay. Alright, y'all. I need to eat breakfast. So, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go ahead and end. What? It hurt you? I'm sorry. It's okay. Can I see? It's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. This will be a continuance of yesterday's vlog. So I don't know if the next vlog will be on the new camera or what. Like I said, hopefully it comes like tomorrow morning or something, since I did 24-hour shipping yesterday. Or 1-day shipping yesterday. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
Hey, bye.